How to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create a newsletter in Mailchimp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're on their home website, what you'll then need to do is on the left hand side, you'll find campaigns. Tap on campaigns. After you do that, here you'll find the create option on the top right. Tap on it. And after you do that, you will need to select regular mail right here. So I'll just tap on design mail. And after you do that, you'll then need to create your design for the newsletter. So let's say if you want a basic layout or if you want to build it from scratch, you can do that as well. I'll just select a fully designed template. You can design one for yourself from basic layout or from scratch. So let's head over to basic layout to show what it looks like to create a full newsletter. So right here you can find different designs for the newsletter, and I'll just tap on the minimalistic one. After you do that, after you select your design, you can then start writing what you want. You can add paragraphs, you can add buttons and everything here. There you can see text, images, and so much more. After you do that, tap on save and exit on the top right. And after you tap on it, you'll then need to give it a title. So I'll just write it test newsletter. Then after doing that, you will also need to import your contacts. So here you can import your contacts. After that, you will need to write a subject which should be compelling so that the users will read it. So I'll just give it a name test and save it. After that, all you now have to do is send your mail. So there you can see the content. Now you will need to edit the design to fit your need, and after you finally edited it to your need, you can then tap on the send button right here to send your newsletter. And that's how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.